The day winds away like the flowing water, time slipping by. The light fades, and as does our energy. We start to think about the return journey home. We never want to leave this place. Would you? Another hour slips by without our noticing. Well, the dogs have noticed, but the rest of us just go on yakking. We enter a timeless state of being where, like being near a singularity, time seems to stretch and a whole year goes by while other people outside this bubble live only a day. Friends arrive, the drone flies, the day fades, we are in heaven, time slips away. Be well, my friends.